Python has a number of libraries. Some of them are called default libraries or built-in libraries. They can also be referred to as packages. These are located in your C local disk, and depending on the computer name you have, you can change the name of the computer here to navigate to the library. So for instance, here, this is the location of the libraries in my computer. For example, if you'd like to search for tkinter in your computer, you would have to search a long list of libraries. So this is the list of the Python built-in libraries. If you have a look, there are many libraries listed here. Tkinter is located right here. In Python console, if you would like to import a library, for instance, tkinter library, you would need to follow this syntax. So you can write import the name of the library as a letter. However, you can also import all of the library at once, writing down from the name of the library, import asterisk. The asterisk here means all. So all of the components of the libraries can be imported using the second syntax. So if you have a look here, we import tkinter as T. So this imports tkinter as letter T. You can also use the other syntax, writing down from tkinter import everything. So the everything here is an asterisk. There are other non-default libraries written by other people available online, and if you would like to install any library or package, you need to have pip installed in your computer. So pip is an installation package, which is short for Python installation package. It is important to enable this installation package when you install Python. So at the beginning, when you install Python, you need to add Python to path. Then it will be enabled. So you can run pip from command prompt window, and if you'd like to get command prompt window active, hold start, press R, and then write down cmd. This will open cmd or command prompt window as it's shown here. Let's try importing a library which is called NumPy. This is not installed, so it would say error, no module named NumPy. To install this, we need to write down pip install NumPy in cmd command prompt. It will collect NumPy directly from the internet and install it. So the download installation process happens simultaneously here. Here we installed the package. Now we can try running the package or the library. So you write down import NumPy as n, or as any letter actually. So if nothing shows up, it means it works perfectly fine. So that's how you install a package. There are a number of important libraries out there. The most important ones in this course would be NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. So we'll go through all of these libraries and the use of these libraries later on in this course.